Guys, Nike Ungates are back. Apparently, you can go right now on Amazon, and if you're a new seller, a couple of new sellers have confirmed this. If you go right now to try to get Ungated on Amazon for Nike, you should be able to get Ungated in Nike. All right, it's not restricted anymore. So if I were you, I would go right now, get an invoice to get Ungated in Nike before they change their mind. I don't think they will change their mind. I think it was just a bug. I think it was just temporary, but we don't know. It could come back again, but it should show you if there are some things that you need to get Ungated in, that you absolutely want to get Ungated in. Get Ungated. Don't waste time. Get Ungated and start selling this brand, start selling this product. Just make the investment in your business. Do it, all right? If you do not know how to get Ungated in Nike, I'm going to show you. I've been the first one to give you this strategy ever since eBay fell off, all right? Go on soccer.com. Place an order for 10 units, and I'm going to show you. You know what? Let's hang out for a little bit more, because I have stuff to do. I need to get back to work. I was taking a break, and I saw that. I was told that Nike actually, Ungate, we're working again, all right? So, you go to soccer.com, all right? Here we go. You go to soccer.com. You type Nike, all right? You type Nike, you find a product, all right? Do not go bitching on Twitter about the fact that soccer.com, blah, blah, blah. Like, it's still working, okay? It is still working, and I'm going to show you how, all right? You go there, you search for a Nike product, all right? You search for Nike. Here we go. Once you find a Nike product, super easy to do. What you do is, let me close all this shit, all right? Let me close all this shit. Here we go. You find a Nike product, you sort the results by the price, by the lower price, you sort it. Here we go. You can get this for $2. No, we need to check if it is actually selling on Amazon. We are on Amazon. We search for this product. Okay, let's open it. Here we go. And if it's not this one, it's going to be this one. All right. So you make sure that the product is selling on Amazon super fast. Okay, let's use seller amp, whatever. Here we go. Let's assume that it is. All right. I mean, you can watch my other videos. It's not this one. Is it this one? It's not. Actually, it is this one. I guess it could be. I don't know. I don't want to check further. Just do it, all right? Just do the work. Super easy. And I have a ton of video to show you how to get Ungated in Nike anyway, all right? So you do this. Then what you do is you pick up the phone. Okay, you pick up the phone and you call them. You can find their number right there. You go to help and service, all right? You go to help and service. You find their number right there. You call this number. You say, hey, I placed an order. Can I please get an invoice? They are going to send you an invoice from their parent company, which is sportsendeavors.com. It has been the way it has been working forever. I've seen a lot of you guys on Discord, on Twitter, all this shit, complaining about the fact that it's not, the invoice is not saying soccer.com, it's saying Sports Endeavor, whatever. Who cares? You got a freaking invoice to get Ungated on Nike. Why? What are you bitching about? You got the invoice that you wanted to. It doesn't matter if it says soccer.com, Sports Endeavor, whatever. It doesn't matter. You got an invoice. Sometimes it may not say the full brand, and I think most of the time it may not say the full brand. It may not say Nike on the invoice. It does not matter. Submit that invoice. It works. Okay? Just submit that invoice for the right product on Amazon. You'll be good. That's it. That's all you need to do. Pretty much. Okay? It's as easy as that. And for every other brand that they have on soccer.com, you can use this. You can use this strategy. So get your ass up, place your order, okay? Because I know that you're laying on your bed right now, you lazy ass. Place your order, get your call to get your invoice. And I know you're a weirdo, okay? I know you're a weirdo and you do not want to talk to people on the phone. Pick up the phone and just ask for an invoice. They are going to send it to your email. Get that invoice, submit it to Amazon. That's it, okay? Wait until the product is delivered. But place your order right now. Okay? Thank me later.